Hello everyone, this is Drashya Bansal. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In last video, we have learned about constants, variables and data types. In this video, we will be covering list, tuples, dictionary and set. And for now, in this video, we will be covering list and tuples. In the next, we will be covering dictionary and sets. For now, let's know what are these used for. These are all are used for storing multiple values in a single variable itself. So let's start with tuples first. Tuple is a collection which is ordered and unchangeable. Just keep in mind unchangeable. I'm saying unchangeable and are written in round brackets. They even allows duplicate values. Let's see for these things. You will just get to know about it in now only. Okay. Request is a variable in which I have stored a tuples, and the values of tuple are like, subscribe and comment, and same I have printed in the output window as well. Next, yes, one more thing I forgot to tell you about. The tuples and lists are indexed from 0 till length minus 1, length of the tuple or list minus 1. Okay. Next, if you want to get the element of tuple at the 0th index, that is first location, we can get it by this element, and similarly for 1 and 2. And if we go for 3, it will show us an error because only 3 elements are present, and at index 3 there is no element, that is at 4th position there is no element over here. Okay, the same is shown over here, tuple index out of range. Okay, next, if we are trying to change the value of request at third element, third is comment, and that's what we are trying to change over here. Let's see, it's not changing the value, so that describes the unchangeability of tuple. Okay, next we will be seeing about the length of request, that is the variable we have taken for tuple. If we want to find out the length of the tuple, list or even dictionary, even set, we can use length function to get the length of that particular variable. Okay, next we have used type in the last video even. Okay, next I'm just seeing for the duplications. We have duplicated like over here. See, it's not showing us any error. Same I have tried for the even different data types can be provided in the single tuple itself, and that too is not showing us any error. See, if we want to find out, if we want to write the duplicates, it's not showing us any error. I told you earlier. If we want to change the value of the fourth index, that is fifth element, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. This one we are trying to change with D, and let's see what happened. It's showing us an error. Okay. Next, if we want to count out how many B's are there, or even we can go for A now. A, there are 3 A's in this num variable. Okay. Next, if we want to find out the index of the first element, in the tuple, we can use dot index to find out, and same we can also get the documentary of these functions by just pressing shift plus tab, and we will get a documentary that docstring is written first index of the value. That's what I told you now. Okay, next we will be discussing about list. List is changeable, ordered and even allows duplicate. They use square bracket for initialization, and they too are indexed from 0 till length of list minus 1. Okay, here I have taken the list 1 2 3 4 till 9, and it's the way of initialization. Even if we can use list, and then in brackets, round brackets, we can put the list over there, and it's also not showing us any error. If you are okay, here we have introduced print command. Print command in quotations, the thing written is printed in the same way, and rest are the values which I am typing over here. I want to change the value of the index 0, sorry, of the list 1, that is one value we want to change, and I'm changing it to 10, and then printing out a new value over here, and even the list. Let's see what happened. Okay, the previous value was 1, new value is 10, and the list has changed from to 10 to 2 3 4 and till 9. Okay, next, ordered means the value does not change in its position by its own. Yes, we are seeing that the values have not changed over there. The 1 is at first position even, 9 is at its last position, and 5 is in the mid. Okay. Next, we want to check for the duplications. See, is it showing us any error? No, it's not showing. Then duplicates are allowed to us. If you want to add new element, then we can use append command to add new element to the list. That's what we are doing over here. See, the list has changed to 4 times and a. Then if we wrote pop, then it will just get out the last element of the list and print the remaining elements. Okay, that's what it's doing over here. And if we provide the index over here, then it will pop out the element from that index itself. Okay, so the one at one position there was 2 over here, now it's 3. Okay, they have popped out at the element at the first position, first index, that is was 2 previously, now it's 3. And let's just change. Similarly, we can use length function for list to length function to find the length of the list. And if we want to find out the element at third location of list 2, that is, where is list 2? Over here. Okay, third position is D, because the index goes from 0 till n minus 1, that is n is the length over here, just get it to do. Okay, next, okay, let's check for the length. That's 6. We have taken a to abc's till f. And if we want to find out the element at third index, that is fourth position, is D. Fourth element is D itself. Okay, over here the in this diagram gives us the indexing from 0 till n minus 1, that is the length is n, is 5 over here, and it's going till 4. And we can even use a negative indexing in tuple and list. Okay, we can use -1 for the last element and minus length for the first element of the list. Okay, other functions that can be performed on the list are extend, insert, remove, clear, index, count, sort, reverse, copy. These are to be performed by you, because you need to get your hands on list, tuples, and even everything, and get your hands dirty with this. Just try these elements and get the result out. If you face any issue, just comment it down in the comment section. And just don't forget to like the video, subscribe the channel if you haven't done it so, and be safe, wear mask, avoid going out, and take care. Thank you so much.